Here's a Fanmaster 20-inch box fan by Lasco on a stand, which is held together by machine screws because there is no hardware for the stand. There's also these two poles, which I don't know where they went to. Definitely went to this fan, but yeah. This came from a farm auction along with the middle, or the Eskimo fan in the middle there. And this was used in a barn without the stand on. Well, in the picture of the auction it didn't have a stand on it, but yeah. It's pretty rusty. Paint's falling off here. I have no idea what the model on this thing is. 2-speed reversible with thermostat. Not the original thermostat. This is off of a different Lasco fan, which probably got junked. But yeah, hot, cold. And then also underneath the knob, there is positions for the switch written in Sharpie underneath this makeshift handle, like that one. Some rust there, rust on the back guard. RMR motor, which for some reason slow or low forward runs a lot slower than low in reverse, which I think that's a winding problem. Yeah. New cord on it because the original one was really short, like hilariously short. But anyways, here's high. I'm gonna hold it in case it falls over. The back guard likes to vibrate. And slowly gets slower. The motor sometimes makes a noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but there is almost like this really faint grinding noise coming from the motor. Then I guess I'll show you it in reverse. Just gotta wait for this to slow down. And I do have a video of this making that grinding noise, which most of it quieted down when I put oil in it. Yeah. Alright, here is high outtake. There's that grinding noise. Notice how it runs faster and it's now slowing down on low outtake. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.